How to advertise on Google Maps quickly. Welcome to this video on how to advertise your business on Google Maps quickly and effectively. In today's digital age, Google Maps is a powerful tool for driving local traffic to your business. By the end of this video, you will know the essential steps to get your business noticed on Google Maps. To start, you'll need a Google My Business account. If you don't have one, head over to Google My Business and sign up. It's free and will greatly enhance your online presence. Make sure to provide accurate and detailed information about your business, such as name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Once your account is set up, verify your business location. Google will send you a postcard or offer phone verification. Verifying your business is crucial as it allows you to manage how your information appears on Google Maps. After verification, optimize your business profile by adding photos, responding to reviews promptly, and providing updates. Photos and reviews significantly influence potential customers' decisions. High-quality images and positive engagement create trust and attract more visitors. Next, leverage Google Ads to enhance your visibility on Google Maps. Create a local search ad using Google Ads to appear at the top of search results. When someone searches for terms related to your business, your ad will appear with a pin on Google Maps, drawing immediate attention. Set a budget and target your ads to specific locations and times. Google Ads offers flexible budgeting options, ensuring you only pay when someone interacts with your ad. Finally, monitor your performance using Google My Business Insights and Google Ads reports. These tools provide data on how customers are interacting with your business listing and ads, allowing you to refine your strategy and increase effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more useful tips.